start with a surprising statistic about daily income strategies that could interest viewers. Join me as I dive into some of the highest daily income strategies and see if I can actually earn big in just one day. You know, making a decent income is great, but let's be real, who doesn't want to earn big? We've all dreamed of having more financial freedom, of being able to afford the things we want and living the life we've always imagined. And one of the most effective ways to achieve this is by maximizing our daily income. But here's the thing, it's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. When it comes to increasing our daily income, many of us struggle to get started. We might feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of options out there, or we might not know where to begin. We might be stuck in a job that's not paying us what we're worth, or we might be struggling to find a way to monetize our skills. We might be held back by our own fears and doubts, or we might be limited by our own mindset. We might have tried different strategies in the past, but they haven't worked out. We might have wasted our time and energy on things that promised the world but didn't deliver. And as a result, we might be feeling frustrated, demotivated, and stuck. We might be wondering if it's even possible to earn big, or if it's just a myth created to sell us something. But here's the thing, earning big is not just a myth. It's a reality that's achievable by anyone who's willing to put in the work and learn the strategies that actually work. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. One of the most effective strategies for increasing daily income is to start selling products or services that solve a problem for people. This could be anything from creating and selling an online course, to offering freelance services, to creating and selling a physical product. The key is to identify a problem that people are willing to pay to solve, and then create a solution that meets their needs. Another strategy is to start investing in assets that generate passive income. This could be anything from real estate, to dividend-paying stocks, to creating and selling an ebook or a course. The key is to identify assets that have the potential to generate income without requiring our direct involvement. We can also increase our daily income by optimizing our workflow and increasing our productivity. This could be anything from using tools and software that streamline our workflow, to outsourcing tasks that take up too much of our time, to simply focusing on high-leverage activities that generate the most income. And then there's the strategy of building a side hustle that can be scaled up over time. This could be anything from creating and selling an app, to offering consulting services, to creating and selling a physical product. The key is to identify a need in the market and then create a solution that meets that need. But here's the thing, there's one strategy that stands out from the rest, one strategy that has the potential to generate the most income in the shortest amount of time. And that strategy is to create and sell a high-ticket offer. This could be anything from a high-end coaching program, to a mastermind group, to a luxury product or service. The key is to identify a problem that people are willing to pay a premium to solve, and then create a solution that meets their needs. By creating a high-ticket offer, we can immediately increase our daily income by thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars. And the best part is that it's not just a one-time thing. Once we've created the offer, we can sell it over and over again, generating passive income for months and even years to come. So to summarize, the key to earning big is to focus on strategies that have the potential to generate the most income in the shortest amount of time. This could be anything from selling products or services that solve a problem, to investing in assets that generate passive income, to optimizing our workflow and increasing our productivity, to building a side hustle that can be scaled up over time. But the most impactful strategy of all is to create and sell a high-ticket offer. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you learned some valuable strategies for increasing your daily income. If you've got a story to share about how you've earned big, leave it in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about financial success strategies, be sure to check out my next video.